All right, last video was pretty good. We did pretty good with the waterfall hunt. So we'll do it again. Let's go. So we are riding towards Hamakua somewhere. We're gonna hunt down some of those waterfalls, hopefully. Can't ride with this guy anywhere because there's like accidents happening around him all over the damn place. Why is there so many accidents around you?
Because of the red bike. It's so visible.
Because of the color of the bike. If he can't swim, it's because of the shorts he's wearing, I swear to God. Somebody has to take a dump. So here we are at my favorite spot for the waterfall. It's the first stop. Sean never seen it, so he's gonna walk and I'm gonna fly. Now that was a killer flight. I totally dig it. It's like one of my favorite spots to fly. Almost took his head off doing it, but
It's okay, I get another head.
but I might have to edit that out. But we'll look into where else we can fly right now and look for another waterfall for you guys. So we ended up actually going to Honolulu, which is like a favorite surf spot. So we'll fly over here, check it out. There's a huge bridge over there too, right there. Maybe we can fly underneath that bridge. At the end of that, supposed to have a waterfall. I don't know. It wasn't raining that much, so waterfall might be a small trinkle, but hey, at least we can see some surfers. Let's hope my props don't blow up and I sink the Avata, right? Send them. So we came to the, what is this, eucalyptus road? There's like eucalyptus trees everywhere, and I always rode past this, but I always wanted to fly my drone like in between these trees and like right through it. So I always was freaking excited for it, and I never did it. So we came here. Let's do it. Send it. So we just did that flight right through there, and it was freaking awesome. I clipped the power line and I clipped the fence too, but I think it came out great. So off to the next. Found one last spot at this bridge right here. There's a beautiful little bridge, and I think there's a waterfall somewhere underneath there at the river. So send it. I totally enjoyed it. That was a great flight. It looks awesome. But now that we've seen there's a bridge, yeah, we gotta come back and explore that area too. So there's a whole lot more to explore. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you guys did, please don't forget, like, subscribe, hit the bell. Until then, be a nice human, make somebody else smile. Definitely pay it forward. Love y'all. Aloha.